Have you ever wondered how these magnificent structures we call bridges come into existence? From the simplest footbridge to massive suspension bridges, each is a marvel of engineering. The process begins with extensive planning and design. Engineers evaluate the specific needs of the bridge, its length, expected load, environmental conditions, and even aesthetic considerations. Computer models and simulations predict how the structure will behave under various stresses. Once designed, the construction begins, and it often starts with the foundations. If the bridge spans a body of water, underwater work is crucial. This involves cofferdams or caissons, which are watertight structures allowing workers to access riverbeds. Piling may be required, where long columns are driven into the ground to provide a stable base. Next, the focus shifts to the substructure, the parts of the bridge that are beneath the driving surface, including piers and abutments, which hold up the main span. Concrete and steel are commonly used here due to their strength and durability. With these supports in place, it's time for the superstructure. This is the visible deck and everything above it. In suspension bridges, cables are strung between towers, distributing weight evenly. For beam bridges, massive girders span the length between piers. Truss bridges utilize a web of metal supports to share the load, offering both strength and an appealing geometric design. As the main structure takes shape, workers add finishing touches. Roadways are laid, electrical and telecommunications lines installed, and sometimes pedestrian walkways are added. Safety features like guardrails and lighting follow. Despite all this complexity, building a bridge also involves careful attention to environmental and social impacts. Bridges must be ecologically sound and serve the communities they connect. Finally, rigorous testing ensures everything holds as expected, demonstrating the reliability and safety standards. And so what starts as a sketch on paper eventually becomes the sturdy, enduring paths that connect us, shrink distances, and stimulate progress worldwide. Each bridge is not just a feat of engineering, but a testament to human innovation and the desire to overcome obstacles. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating topics. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.